Nationally, there has been a 24% drop in new cases compared to the previous 7 days. Over this period, the highest case incidences have been in the Northern Cape province, which remains really protected in terms of COVID-19 infections. The Northern Cape has been followed by case incidence and the rate of case incidence by its neighbor, the Free State province. And you can understand because they are very close to each other and the people move in between the two provinces. And then the KwaZulu-Natal province has also been still very high in terms of the case incidence. And this is the number of cases on a daily basis per 100,000 population. Over this period of 7 days, hospitalization has also gone down by 10%, which is good news because it means less pressure on our health services and less pressure on our health workers, with the Western Cape still having the highest hospitalization rate per population. And the Western Cape is followed by Free State and Gauteng. So we'll see that notwithstanding the fact that the cases per day in Gauteng, if you compare with about 8 weeks ago, have drastically dropped. But the hospitalization, because hospitalization follows the infections, often when people get infected, it takes sometimes days and even sometimes even weeks before they can be sick enough to get into hospital. And that explains why Gauteng is still having a pressure in terms of hospitalization, although it's really gone down, as I said, overall nationally by 10%. Now, if we go to the last 24 hours, yesterday we recorded new positive cases of 6,270 in total, which is again consistent with the downward trend, because when you look at the previous 7 days average, it was well above 8,000. So 6,270 is quite a good downward trend. But surprisingly, the highest number of cases were recorded in the Western Cape. That is 23.6% of those new cases were recorded in the Western Cape. I'm saying surprisingly because a few days earlier, the KwaZulu-Natal province, which came out yesterday at 19.5% of that total, has been the highest above the Western Cape. And the Eastern Cape came at number 3 last night at 17.8%